Hi everyone, today I want to talk about my EDC knife. I've been carrying this knife for about 10 years, and as you can see, there's certain damage on it. These plastic covers have some, you can see here that it has break. Also in this part, you can see it misses some part, and in this side it has a burn mark. And well, this tool has served me well for about 10 years. The tools that it has are excellent. I have found this an excellent multi-tool. I own several Leathermans and other multi-tools, and the best multi-tool that I ever had is this one. And this is the Victorinox Huntsman, and the features that it has is, first you have the blade. This blade is excellent. It's very easy to sharpen, and the only thing is that it's very small and it's not lockable blade, and this makes sometimes very difficult when you're making some task that requires apply some force, and it starts to fold, and well, maybe you can cut yourself. You also have the saw. This is a very good saw. You can see I have this knife attached with a leather lanyard. Okay, following with the tools of this knife, you have the scissors, very good scissors. You have a small blade. On the other side, you have the bottle opener, and also a flathead screwdriver, and the wire stripper. And sometimes I use this as a pry bar, and it has worked excellent. This is the can opener and a small flathead screwdriver, and this can opener is excellent. I have tried the ones in some Leathermans and some Gerber, and the best can opener that I ever had is this one. On the other side, you have the corkscrew. You have this tool, okay, in here. This serves to punch some things, and you can punch plastic, leather, even wood. And the last tool that you have, sorry if this takes a little lot, but I just have cut my fingernails and it's very difficult to do this. You have this little hook that sometimes serves when you have some package wrapped with some cord. You just take this and you can use it to hold the package or the box with the cord, and very easy, because sometimes you have tried to hold a box wrapped or tied with rope, and this really is a pain in your hands. Okay, but this knife I have been replaced with this other knife. This is the Victorinox Outrider. I was looking for a knife that has a locking blade like this one has, but also has the same features that this one. Okay, what I'm talking about, I have the blade. It's a very long blade and a lockable blade. You have a very strong lock. This can help you in some tasks. You can see I have leather lanyard on this. You also have the wood saw. Something that I have found very useful is that the saw is on the same side of the blade, because this doesn't interfere with the lanyard. In this old model, the blade is in one side and the saw is in the other side, in the same side where you have the lanyard, and this something can get in the way when you are working with this tool. Okay, we also have the scissors. Okay, down the scissors you have the Phillips screwdriver. This has a very strong lock. That's something good. You also have the bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and the wire stripper. And on the other side you have the can opener. In here you have the corkscrew, and you have the punch tool. Something that misses from this tool on this other one are the hook in this part and the small blade, but well, that's something that doesn't matter to me, because those tools are not very useful or not used very often. And something that you have on both blades are the tweezers and the toothpick on the other side. Okay, it's something that all the Victorinox blades have in common. Useful. And something that I dislike is that this one, the Victorinox logo, it's a metal insert, and in this one it's painted, and this sooner or later it's going to fade, and well, only see how long is this going to happen. Okay, this has been my review on these two excellent multi-tools, and thanks for watching, and see you soon.